organizations came together to spotlight the trouble in African-American neighborhoods that have the highest concentration of COVID-19 cases, like those here in North St. Louis and North County. Blacks are dying in disproportionate numbers, some at a rate of 3 to 1. Dr. Kendra Holmes, who is Senior Vice President and Chief Operating Officer of Affinia Healthcare, says her company has been on the front lines of the COVID-19 testing in the poor areas of the city, eventually testing around 6,000 people. She says St. Louis could have done better.
Overall, I think there's a lot of room for improvement. Overall, I don't want to pinpoint and say someone did something incorrectly. I think we all can learn from this, but there is a need for more equitable distribution of services, and particularly for those that are most vulnerable. Initially, there was no testing in underserved areas, so that clearly is a deficit.
In the city and county, or?
Yes, in North St. Louis County and North St. Louis City, yes.
Jamala Rogers is with the Organization for Black Struggle. Have Mayor Cruson and Sam Page done a good or bad job dealing with the COVID-19 crisis in the African American community?
I don't think they did a good job at being in the front of this, and I think that the learning curve that we saw resulted in people dying.
So you're saying you believe Mayor Cruson's administration did a bad job in handling this COVID crisis in the African American community? I just want to make sure I characterize you correctly. Is that the case?
Well, I didn't say bad, but I said I think it was not as responsive as it could have been. So, because they will say that they did something and they could point to some things, but I'm saying if you look at a total plan and you look at a comprehensive plan, particularly for the most vulnerable communities, that plan didn't come till weeks later. That's what I'm saying.
Now, everyone at the news conference said they will continue to work with government leaders in our area and also state leaders to try to make improvements in the handling of the crisis, particularly in poor areas of the city and county. By the way, Dr. Holmes says Affinia will give you a COVID test if you need it. You can go to our website, foxnow.com, to get that number. Of course, I'll continue to keep track of this COVID crisis and its impact on the St. Louis area. After all, you paid for it.